Hello guys. Today we will learn how to make Countryballs using InShOt. There are too many apps in Play Store, like InShOt, CapCut, VN, KineMaster, a Light Motion, but we will use InShOt to make shorts like me. There are two stages, first Countryballs, and second moving animation. Now you have to learn how to make Countryballs. You have to use Countryballs sticker app. That is available on Play Store. Use Countryballs sticker app. Select your continent. Now select which country you want. I select Pakistan. Choose eyes style. I chose simple. You can move eyes through toggle stick. You can also flip from that button. Then save it from 3-dot bottom. Now, you have to learn how to move Countryballs. Click on that triangle button. Then move your Countryball from where you want to start. Then from some far and one more keyframe means that triangle. Let's play it. It looks like that. Guys, if you want part 2, that contains more animations, so help me reach 3K subscribers before 14th January. Bye-bye.